Driving down from the Highland Line, we done some gigs on the Clyde and the Tyne. They flew us in from the Hamburg Strip. The taste of Dusseldorf still on our lips. And on the bus there's a friend of mine. We go way back to the scene of the crime. Sit up front and share a cigarette and try to remember what we tried to forget. He said, do you remember? He said, do you recall? I said, yeah, I remember. Oh, I remember it all. Every time the cold wind blows, every time I hear the sound, late night train shutting down by the river, I remember Windy Town. We come so far and we move so fast, making haste it all go past. Around the world and around again, up and down on that gravy train. Every time the cold wind blows, every time I hear the sound, East Coast crosswinds on a cold wet stone, I remember Windy Town. Corners and the empty streets, the burning passion and the cold wet feet. 3 tricky miles home every night, dodging from the shadows underneath the amber lights. No call for kissing and nowhere to go, except inside each other, and I love you so. I held your face as you shivered in the rain. Girl, I'll always love you and I'll love you again. Oh, every time, yeah, every time. Every time the cold wind blows, every time I hear the sound, late night train shutting down by the river, I remember Windy Town. Every time the cold wind blows, every time I hear the sound, East Coast crosswinds on a cold wet stone, I remember Windy Town. There we go. There it goes, Windy Town. just one thing I can say. Nobody loves you this way. It's alright. Can't you see the downtown lights? In love we're all the same. We're walking down an empty street, and with nobody calling your name. Empty streets, empty lives, the downtown light. How do I know you'll feel it? How do I know you'll feel it? How do I know you'll feel it? How do I know it's true? Can't you see? Nobody loves you this way. It's alright. Tonight and every night, let's go walking down the city street. Let's walk in the cool evening light. Long alright, the endless side, the downtown lights. It would be alright. It would be alright. The downtown light. Yeah, yeah, yeah. How do I know you'll feel it? How do I know you'll feel it? How do I know you'll feel it? How do I know it's true? Can't you see? Nobody loves you this way. It's alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Downtown light. The neons and the cigarettes, the rented rooms and the rented cars, the crowded streets, the empty bars, chimney tops, trumpets, the golden lights, the loving prayers, colored shoes, the empty trains. I'm tired of crying on the stairs. Downtown lights. Well, they chased her down the alley and over the hill to steal her will. She was as hot as Georgia asphalt. When the A crowd came to adore her brain. So leave Virginia alone, leave Virginia alone. She's not like you and me, she's not like you and me. You should have seen her back in the city, poetry and jewels, broke all the rules. She was as high as a Georgia pine tree. Makeup and pills, overdue bills. So leave Virginia alone, leave Virginia alone. She's not like you and me, she's not like you and me. Some sunny day when the hands of time have gone their way, you'll understand why it was so hard to run away, run away. She's a loser, she's a forgiver. She still finds good where no one could. You ought to want her more than money, Cadillacs and rust, diamonds and dust. So leave Virginia alone, leave Virginia alone. She's not like you and me, she's not like you and me. Oh yeah. Leave Virginia alone, leave Virginia alone. She's not like you and me, she's not like you and me. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, leave her alone. Oh, Virginia. Oh, Virginia. Leave her alone. Well, the pressure's down, the boss ain't here, he's gone north for a while. They said that vanity got the best of him, but he sure left here after sundown. By the way, that's a cute hat that you're wearing, and that smile so hard to resist. But what's a sweetheart like you doing in a dump like this? You know, I once knew a woman who looked like you. She wanted a whole man, not just a half. She used to call me sweet daddy when I was a child. You kind of remind me of her when you laugh. To deal in this game, you must make the queen disappear. It's done with a flick of the wrist. What's a sweetheart like you doing in a dump like this? You know a woman like at home. It's where you truly belong. Watching out for someone who loves you true, who would never, never do you no wrong. Just how much abuse you can take, well, there's no way to tell by that first lonely kiss. What's a sweetheart like you doing in a dump like this? You know you can make a name for yourself. You can hear them tires squeal. You can be known as the most beautiful woman who ever crawled across cut glass to make a deal. You know news of you has come down the line even before you came in the door. They say in your father's house there's many mansions, each one of them got a fireproof floor. Snap out of it, baby, people are jealous of you. They smile in your face, but behind your back they hiss. What's a sweetheart like you doing in a dump like this? Gotta be an important person to come in here, honey. Gotta have done some evil deed. Got to have your own harm when you come in the door. Got to play your harp until your lips bleed. They say patriotism is the last refuge to which a scoundrel clings. Steal a little and they'll throw you in jail. Steal a lot and they'll make you a king. There's only one step down from here, baby. It's the land of the permanent bliss. So what's a sweetheart like you doing in a dump like this? What's a sweetheart like you doing in a dump like this? Oh yeah. What's a sweetheart like you doing in a dump like this? Down by law on Baker Street, lay your head back on this field of dreams, then close your eyes. There's a few that find love on some days down by the sea, and they wash clean like angels high above the waves, so free. I have no words to say to you, I have no dream to take you to, have no ring for you to kiss. Baby, all I have is this. Pray for grace. Keep the faith. Walk on down the road. Wait for me. Look for love. Are you fearless, reckless, homeless and all alone? Can you make love, heal things, make my heart go wild again? I have no words to say to you. I have no dream to take you to. I have no ring for you to kiss. Baby, all I have is this. I have no way to hold you now. I have no time to show you how. I have no gold, nothing to risk. Baby, all I have is this. And she says it doesn't matter anymore. There's a few that find love on Sundays down by the sea, and they wash clean like angels' wings, high above the waves so free. I have no words to say to you. I have no dreams to take you to. I have no ring for you to kiss. Baby, all I have is this. I have no way to hold you now. I have no time to show you how. I have no gold, nothing to risk. Baby, all I have is this. All I have is on my sleeve. All I want is your sweet love, baby. All I saw was open space. Walk down the road, feel it, feel it. All I have is this. see no point in trying, for I saw love passing by me. You came into my life. You came into my life. I look around and what I had is gone. Now I finally found what I've been missing. The road I travel is so clear since you came into my life. You came into my life, and you're the star, the shining light, the morning dawn, and when the sun comes up so bright, and the closer I get, yes it's true, you're the star above the storm. I wanna wrap you in my arms and keep you warm. No, I don't wanna live without you. No, I've never found loving like you. You give me faith, the kind I thought had gone. Somewhere down the line, I think I've lost it. Now I felt changes in my heart. Your faith in me is strong. Your faith in me is strong. And you're the star, the shining light, the morning dawn, and when the sun comes up so bright, and the closer I get, yes it's true, you're the star above the storm. I wanna wrap you in my arms and keep you warm. No, I don't wanna live without you. No, I've never found loving like you. You're the star, the shining light, the morning dawn, and when the sun comes up so bright, and the closer I get, yes it's true, you're the star above the storm. I wanna wrap you in my arms and keep you warm. No, I don't wanna live without you. No, I've never felt nothing like you. You're the star. You're the star. You're the star. Oh yeah. I've never felt nothing like you. No, I've never felt nothing like you. Oh yeah. I know. I remember when I was only 17, the bohemian poet and disciple of the streets. Or was I just another kid searching for identity in '63? Heard it on the radio on a cold across the Atlantic, far away, the magic came. The house began to rock with Cupid and his bow. The hoochie coochie man's lonely heart began to blow. Little did I know that nothing in my life would ever be the same. Stayed up all night playing every 45, trying to sound like you. Strum my guitar in bed till my fingers bled, trying to play like you. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy, for the sounds you made. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy, for the times we shared. They carry on. I saw Otis back in 1965, tears in my eyes as he sung these songs of mine. But angels needed a soul man for the Celestial Blues Band who took him home. Took you home. Oh, what I'd give to see that red mohair suit and hear Dock of the Bay. Oh, Sam in his two-tone singing, bring it all back home. What a show that would be. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy, for the sounds you made. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy, for the times we shared, and they carry on. So much respect. My gratitude to you runs deep, proud and true. I will never forget. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy, for the sounds you made. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy, for the times you gave. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy, for the sounds you made. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy, for the times you gave. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Otis. Thank you, Muddy. You'll never, never fade away. Never, never fade away. Hangovers and Christmas through the smoke and the oil. Walking down the road to see let the radiator blow out. Got an overhead downshift and a $2 grill. Got an 85 cab and on an 85 ER. Hangovers and Christmas on the passenger side. Open it up tonight whiskey, then we'll turn the mad dog loose. Hang on St. Christopher on the passenger side. Open it up tonight so the devil can ride. Let him ride, let him ride. Let him ride, let him ride. Let him ride. Let him ride. the summertime is gone, and the leaves are sweetly turning, and the wild mountain thyme blooms across the purple heather. Will you go, lassie, go? If you will not go with me, I will never find another to pick a wild mountain thyme. All along the purple heather, will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pick a wild mountain thyme. All among the purple heather, will you go, lassie, go? Lassie, go. I will build my love a tower by the cool crystal waters, and I'll cling to her forever, like the ivy to the heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Will you go, lassie, go?